Hello, in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Phalaenopsis that I'm 90% sure I already have. So let's get into this. Okay, packing peanuts. Let me take care of these. Okay, most of the packing peanuts are gone, and I can say off the bat that I'm not super happy with this being shipped wet, even though it is still alive. Oops, sorry, let me show you. So even though it is still alive, it has been shipped wet and it's been really cold lately, so that could have been an issue, especially coming from Florida to California. This may have rotted on the way, but it is here, it is alive. There is one good root down there at the bottom. There's a nice root in here too. So it looks good, and this is a vigorous cross, and as you can see by the name tag, this is Phalaenopsis Jia Ho Summer Love. And I had one of these. It had the best shape ever. It had a wonderful Bellina fragrance, and then I lost it, and I had gotten it from Home Depot. So I ran to Home Depot like the very week that I lost it, and I got another one, which I'll insert pictures of here. And so I'm 90% sure that the Summer Love that I got from Home Depot the second time is a Summer Love, but I want one that was going to be more characteristic of the cross, and judging from the photos on the listing on eBay, I think that this one is going to be more characteristic of the cross. So this has been my unboxing of Phalaenopsis Jia Ho Summer Love from FLOrchidHouse. I think that's Florida Orchid House on eBay. And I got this for 45 bucks. Yeah, 45 bucks with shipping included. I actually watched this item, so I got it for like 5% off, which I always recommend that you guys do on eBay, is watch an item, because sometimes you'll get sales on that item and you can get it for a little bit cheaper. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.